Alam nyo bang nagbukas na ang pinakamalaki at kumpletong appliance at gadget store sa Dumaguete City? Tara, pag-usapan natin yan. Mayong adlaw, this is J. Perpetual Kid at tara, let's explore Dumaguete!
Welcome to Abenson Dumaguete Flagship Store!
Yes, you've heard it right. Nagbukas na nga ang Abenson Dumaguete Flagship Store noong June 6, 2024. It is the first of its kind in Visayas. Kaya if you're planning to upgrade your appliances like refrigerator, television, aircon, gas range, speaker, and even your gadgets like phones and laptops, marami kang pagpipilian dito sa Abenson Dumaguete Flagship Store. Merong appliances from partner brands like TCL, Samsung, LG, Sony, Concepcion, Condura, Toshiba, Carrier, at marami pang iba. Abenson Dumaguete Flagship Store offers super service which includes next-day delivery, appliance installation, easy payments, installment plans with abot kayang hulugan, 0% installment, and Abenson Rewards. Kung meron na kayong account with Home Credit, just approach their sales associates for assistance. By the way, on behalf of Abenson, thank you sa lahat ng mga guests and customers who joined in sa kanilang pagbubukas sa Dumaguete. Abenson Dumaguete Flagship Store is located at the corner of Real Street and Silliman Avenue and is open every day from 9 a.m. to 8 p.m. Again, this is J. Perpetual Kid and we explored ang pinakamalaki at kumpletong appliance and gadget store sa Dumaguete City. Abenson Dumaguete Flagship Store. Hanggang sa susunod na biyahe, ayo-ayo!